Good day, Ms. Minette. My name is Carol Gonzaga and my partner is Michael Paringit, and we are here to present Androids at Work. The organization. These are the brief profile of the organization. Lexus is a financial corporation that needs to replace PC tablets to Android tablets. The project description. Important files are more secured. The files are going to be more secured and more protected using Android with encryption and high security measures. Cheaper than any other OS. Much cheaper than Microsoft's Windows 7 and much reliable. Project objectives and deliverables. To look for a more higher or modern technology in the form of Android and to improve the security measures using Android. The objective is to use a modern technology and to enhance the security using Android. General approach. Conduct an interview with the user. We conduct an interview with the user to their open opinion and to know what they want. Gain more information about security measures and open source. Learn more techniques and more information with the open source.
Hi ma'am, I'm about to present our action plan and mind map. As you can see on our action plan, our mind map shows that Android will improve our security measures, has more updates, highly recommended by IT specialists, user-friendly, and less cost. On our work breakdown schedule, it shows that how we will complete the project and finish the deadline. It shows the deadline, the responsibilities, and the duration and the task we're about to implement on the project. In this Gantt chart shows we tested the three options and the results of their test is the Android is the best choice among the three. It shows how we tested our business requirements, unit testing, compatibility testing, configuration, stress testing, and functionality testing. Our resource requirements, it shows the expenses of the project, software updates, security enhancements, Android IT specialists, and Android tablets. Our performance criteria shows that it is fast and reliable, gain more profit and sales. Risk analysis. The risk of our system is the application downloaded by the user. When they get the hidden code, they would know all the plans and secrets of the corporation. Mitigation measures. To install a top-notch internal security that made it hard to move from one system to another. That's why we have our hired Android IT specialists to improve the security measures and to avoid any problems with the security. Thank you for watching our video, ma'am, and good day.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.